Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video, I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how you can completely disable the power sliding doors and then you can use them as manual doors. This video should apply to these minivans made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now if you look at this overhead console, now you have three buttons here. This is to open the left power door, this is to open the right power sliding door, and this in the middle, this is how you can actually disable them. If you press this, the power sliding doors will be completely disabled and you can use them as manual doors. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.